Hey everybody, how's it going? Brennan here from Outdoors and Adventures. So today, this video is going to be me starting up my Mac 1010 for Mac Mondays. And I'm going to call out 3 people in this video, and I will probably link them down below. So if you're into chainsaws, adventures, stuff like that, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and the 3 people that I'm going to call out at the end of this video, if you can go over to their channels, give them a look, give them a check, and hit the subscribe on their channels as well, that'd be awesome. But let's get to the Mac Monday fire ups. And like I said, this is the Mac that I'm got and that I'm going to be doing it with. So let's get started. So there's the Mac Monday fire up, and the 3 people that I am going to be calling out is John Arnett's Ways, Tasman Kenny Fuller, and Kim Wilson. Let's see those Mac Monday rips, and hope you guys enjoy your days. And thanks for all the new subscribers that have subscribed so far. And I hope to see you guys. I hope to see more rolling in. And hopefully also this coming up Sunday, I have a firewood video, or I gotta go buck some logs up for a guy that I've done side work for before. I'll see about doing video when I do that, if he's okay with it, and if he's not, then I'll wait and see if I get any more firewood cutting, whether it's me finding it on either Facebook or somewhere. But like I said, the 3 people that I'm calling out: John Arnett's Ways, Tasman Kenny Fuller, and Kim Wilson. Hope to see you guys all do it. Have a great day, and hope your all's weeks go by smooth.